Electron transport chain. What is electron transport chain? The electron transport chain is a series of 4 protein complex couple redox reactions, creating an electrochemical gradient leads to the creation of ATP in a complete system named oxidative phosphorylation. It occurs in the mitochondria in both cellular respiration and photosynthesis. These are the steps of electron transport chain. In complex 1, NAD from glycolysis and Krebs cycle is oxidized to NAD positive. It passes off 2 electrons and hydrogen positive ions are pumped into the intermembrane space. Flavine, adenine dinucleotide from glycolysis and Krebs cycle is oxidized to FAD by complex 2. It also releases hydrogen positive ions into the intermembrane space and passes off electrons. Electrons from complex 1 and complex 2 are transferred to a carrier called ubiquinone Q. This molecule carries the electrons to complex 3. Complex 3 accepts the electrons brought in by ubiquinone Q and pumps more hydrogen positive ions into the intermembrane space. Electrons in complex 3 are picked up by cytochrome C, another carrier molecule. This molecule carries the electrons to complex 4. In complex 4, a reaction with O2 produces H2O. More hydrogen positive ions are pumped into the intermembrane space. By now, the concentration of hydrogen positive ions is very high. Hydrogen positive ions need to cross the membrane to balance the concentration gradient. They use ATP synthase to do this. As the ions pass through, the pump makes ATP. What is the essence of electron transport chain? The electron transport chain is critical to cellular respiration. It culminates in the generation of the majority of ATP molecules, which are synthesized during oxidative phosphorylation. What is the purpose of cellular respiration? Cellular respiration is the process that occurs in the mitochondria of organisms, whether it may be in animals or plants, to break down sugar in the presence of oxygen to release energy in the form of ATP. This process releases carbon dioxide and water as waste products. This is Raisina Rosonabe speaking. Until the next time.